Happy morning. This is Valarmathy of Creative studying Eglo International School. Today I am going to build a bird nest. Let's start. I built this nest like a bird. Bird build their nest with cotton, dry grass, leaves, straws and tiny other things. Nest keep the birds safe in different conditions. Birds lay eggs on natural wood. Nest keep the baby birds safe from all of that.